it's that time of the year again. And these holiday hacks are sure to make your holiday cost-effective, festive, and fun. Ever wonder how to wrap jewelry that comes in a plastic bag? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to do that, using only a box and tissue paper. First, remove your jewelry from the bag. For this part, you're going to need your box, and tissue paper. Start by cutting out 3 or 4 squares of tissue paper, according to the size of your box. Your end result should look like this. Begin layering your tissue paper inside of your box, making sure that each layer is in a different direction. This just makes your present look a little more elegant. It should look like this. Take your necklace or piece of jewelry and start wrapping it around your hand. That way it fits inside of your box properly. Top it off with another piece of tissue paper and close up your box. Next, wrap your gift. Of course, this step is always optional. You're all done. Ever have that dreaded feeling of running out of gift tags? All you have to do is grab a piece of wrapping paper and cut it into a square, according to the size of your box. And fold it in half. Use a folded piece of Scotch tape to add on the back of your tag that you just created. And just stick it on. Now all there's left to do is personalize. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Don't forget to check out my website at www.etsy.com/shop/Leawayartisans. Follow me on Instagram at bnwart_Leaway or on my Twitter at Leawayartisans.